Hey, let me show you the best features of your JBL Tune 500 Bluetooth headphones. So first I'm gonna open my streaming service, that will be the YouTube Music. And first of all, with these headphones we can play and pause media by using this button. So when you click on it once, like this, as you can see, you can play or pause your songs. If you want to volume up or volume down, you can also do this by using these volume buttons. So when you click on the volume down, you can decrease volume level, and by pressing the volume up, you can increase volume level. You can also switch between your songs, so when you have the volume up button, you have to click and hold it and wait until the next song turns on. To go for the previous song, click and hold the volume down button. There we go. And also in these headphones you are able to wake the voice assistant by double tapping on the play and pause button. Just like this. We have to turn off the media. And as you can see right now, this this Google Assistant pops on the screen. You can also activate the dual device connection. So in these headphones you can be connected to the two devices at the same time. And to do this, first you have to be connected with the first device, like in my case. And then we have to find these buttons, the volume up button and the play button. We have to click and hold these two buttons together until this indicator starts flashing like this. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode, and we can pair these headphones with second device, and after that we'll be connected with the two devices at the same time. And that's basically it. That's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.